Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to buy an ebook on Gumroad. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will give you access to the full marketplace and allow you to make purchases directly from your account. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Look for and click on Discover. This section is where you can explore all the different digital products available on Gumroad, including ebooks, courses, software, and much more. It's essentially your gateway to browsing the entire marketplace. Once you're in the Discover section, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type ebook. This will filter the results to show you only ebook-related products, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without sifting through unrelated content. After you hit search, you'll see a list of ebooks appear on your screen. Take a moment to browse through the results. Each ebook will display a cover image, title, and price. When you find the ebook you want to purchase, simply click on it. This will open up the product page where you can read more details about the ebook, check out reviews, and see what's included. Now, on the right panel of the product page, you'll see a button that says Add to Cart. Go ahead and click on it. This action adds the ebook to your cart and prepares it for checkout. It's a quick way to secure the item before you complete your purchase. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout page where you'll need to enter your payment information. Start by typing your full name in the designated field. This is important because it helps verify your identity and ensures the purchase is legitimate. After that, enter your card number in the designated field below. Make sure you enter all the digits correctly to avoid any payment issues. The system will also ask for additional card details like the expiration date and security code, so fill those in as well. Once all your information is entered, click Pay. This will process your payment and complete your purchase. The ebook will then be available for download immediately or sent to your email depending on how the seller has set up their delivery method. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an ebook on Gumroad and can now enjoy your new digital content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.